Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today we are going to study a very interesting trick of ratio and proportion topic. Let's have a look. Let's suppose we are given A ratio B as 1:2 and B ratio C, it is given as 2:3. Let's suppose this value is given to us and we need to find A ratio B ratio C. This data is given and we need to find the value of A ratio B ratio C. Let's see a very interesting trick how we can find this value. See, A, B and C, we are dealing with three numbers. What we need to do, write A, B and C. So we need to write A, B and C. We are going to learn the concept from a very simple example. See, A ratio B is 1:2. So what we need to do, this is A, this is B. So write 1 here, 2 here. Then B ratio C, it is given as 2:3. So this is B, this is C. I'm going to write 2 here and 3 here. This is our first step which we need to do. Now what we need to do, we need to fill the blanks, like this place is blank here and this place is blank here. So these blank places, how to fill? Look carefully. This is 2, just write 2 here. Whatever the last value is coming, same value is to be written here. This one is 2, so just fill 2 in the left side also. This is what we need to do. We need to fill the blanks like this. Then vertically these numbers should be multiplied. 2 multiplied with 1, it is 2. 2 multiplied with 2, we get 4. And 3 multiplied with 2, we get 6. So 2, 4 and 6. 3 values we have got. This is what the answer is. 2:4:6. But these all numbers are still divisible by 2. So divide them by 2. 2 divided by 2, we get 1. 4 divided by 2, we get 2. And 6 divided by 2, we get 3. So final answer is A ratio B ratio C is 1:2:3. I hope you are clear with the concept. Let's move to next question. Look at this question. If ratio is 2:3 and 3:5, then how to find A:2B:C? We have already done the concept. Now just we are going to implement the concept we have studied before. A:2B, that means 2:3 is to be written like this. Then B ratio C is 3:5. Let's write 3:5. Now we need to fill the blanks. This is 3, so write 3 here. This one is 3, we need to write 3 here. 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Just we need to multiply them. Put ratio here. Now see, all these values are still divisible by 3. So divided by 3 then. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So my final answer of A ratio B ratio C is 2:3:5. So it is very easy concept which is very helpful in competitive exams. So this was all about A, B and C when we were talking about. Now we are going to study few examples when A, B, C and D, 4 values are involved. Let's have a look. Look at this question. When A ratio B, B ratio C and C ratio D is given, we need to find A ratio B ratio C ratio D. Same method will be used which we have just done. A, B, C and D. Write all these 4 values. Make sure we need not to do this kind of question in competitive exams like this. This is just a rough work which we are doing, right? This is just a rough work to get the final answer. So A ratio B is 2:3. B ratio C is 5:4 and C ratio D, it is 3:7. See, we have filled the values like this now. Next step was to fill up the blanks, right? Now check the blanks here. 1 blank, second blank. This is ending with 3, so write 3 both places. At both places we have written 3. Then this is ending with 4, So write 4 here. Now these values, this is 5, so we need to write 5 here, and these two blanks, this one is 3, so write 3 on left sides. I hope you are clear now how to fill these blanks now. It's very easy. Now what we were to do, we need to multiply vertically. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 7 4s are 28, 28 3s are 84. So this is the number which we have got. It is divisible by 3. So let us divide it by 3. 3 10s are 30. 3 15s are 45. 3 12s are 36. And in the table of 3, it will be 28. So this is what our final answer is. Value of A ratio B ratio C ratio D. We have got it 10 ratio 15 ratio 12 ratio 28. So I hope you are clear with the method now. This is very easy trick and very helpful in competitive exams. I hope you are clear with the concept and you have liked the video. And if you have liked the video, then please share it as well. Thank you so much.